Great.
I never made love, I never did.
Nice. Wow.
The letter. The letter. Should I read it?
No.
No, I'm not going to read it out loud.
Yes! It's actually my favourite.
I don't want to rake it. There you go. Hey. It's because I do. She gave me the Pantene one.
Oh, amazing. Wow. Oh, amazing. Thank you so much, Evie. What else? What else? Bam. 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 Another one. Another one. Yes. All that ice. Okay. Oh.
Wow.
Necklace.
Always.
It says show them. Yes. Show them. That's me right there.
Hi, it's Caitlin. I'm really excited for you, Evie and Emeka. It's been such an honor getting to know you, Evie, and your family, and thank you for always making me feel so welcome and included and loved. And Emeka, we have been in each other's DMs for a year, and I'm so excited that I finally got to meet you, and to both of you to be able to celebrate your love, and I'm wishing you a lifetime of happiness. Love you.
Hi, it's Gail. Evie and Emeka, congratulations on your wedding day. I can't wait to be a part of it, and I can't wait to see your relationship flourish. Yeah, today is the start of forever, and I can't wait to be a part of it and watch you guys have babies and be Auntie Gail. But yeah, love you.
Hi, babe. How are you doing? Okay. Thank you. Oh, I love it.
Hi, Evie and Emeka, it's Charlene here. I wish you the best in your marriage, and I'm so honored to be part of this whole process with you guys. I honestly could never have imagined in my wildest dreams a better match for you, Evie. I'm so happy that you and Emeka found each other, and I wish you the best, and I can't wait for all the memories we have to make in the future. Mwah, love you both.
Alright, look at me. Just give me that.
We love you, Evie and Emeka. Mwah.
Evie, today is your traditional marriage.
brother and your twin brother, your marriage will be successful and prosperous. May you find me in this room, the man that will be your husband.
The last one.